Hi, good morning. My name is Canche and I am studying in the University of Valladolid, Yucatan. This is my project semestral and my course is in English culture and my teacher is Gustavo Medinatus. It's okay. Well, this is my magazine. I will show you my magazine with the name Reading a Little of Culture English. So in the first we have the English movies, the actors, the literatures, and the theater. And the English movie is more popular, and the 5 famous actors from England. I stay in my work. We have I think that was Mr. Bean, but no, it's Rowan Atkinson. This is the true name that I don't know it. In the England British and plays, we have the 2 more popular, William Shakespeare and Charles Dickens. In the next we have the art, the artistic expressions. We can see, and I show you, we have the sculptures, the architecture is amazing. We have the music, the origins of the music Britain, lighting the song of the bands, music played by ordinary people. The music in Britain. The more popular in this case, I think that is actually is the pop, but I think that I like, but sometimes the people younger change that idea, that mind, that it's okay. Also we have the popular artists that, for example, James Blunt, Shakira, Eminem, Beyonce, Coldplay, and I like Coldplay. The music listened in Britain, punk, garage, house rock, pop, and actually, the people younger listen pop. It's more famous. So we have Anne's, the British music. The British music for decades. British music has taken the world by storm, even the recent years. So the English fashion, I like this car. I like it. So we have the British style, the secret trend, Prince of Gales, and the more popular in this case is the garment. For example, garment. Garment is most popular. Is wear, and the people always dresses with garment. So the British gastronomy, we have the meal times, the traditional dishes. For example, fish and chips, chicken and tita. The meal times, breakfast, lunch, after tea, and the dinner. So, the answer. So, it's all, and great day.